today I've got for you this tubular lock. It does work, works great. It's pretty good. It actually requires a pretty strong amount of spring tension to push that key in. But I'm going to pick it. It'll take twice to get it picked all the way open. And I want to use this tensioner from Sparrows. It's actually one of the tension wrenches out of the Vorax kit, but it does a pretty good job of tensioning these. And all you got to do is go around one at a time, pushing on the pins until you get one that wants to click down like that one just did. Okay, got a nice click out of that one. And just keep doing this until you get them all set in. Then it'll turn one turn. Okay, finally got that one to click down. And sometimes they take a little bit of pressure to push down. Sometimes they'll push down rather easy. Okay, got a slight turn on the core off of that one. Okay, I got a little bit more turn on the core. Okay, there's my halfway point. Okay, they got that one to click. Okay, and this one right here won't push, but that's normal. Okay, got another click. Got another click. Okay, got that one to click, and I got another turn on the core. And there we go. If I can get that thing off of there. And I have never, ever in my life gutted one of these. And I haven't actually even seen a video on how to gut one. So I'm not going to gut it. But there it is. It is turned 90 degrees. And now it's locked, unlocked, locked, unlocked. Pretty easy to pick these things. They just take a little bit of patience because you just got to pick them sometimes several times, especially if it's a 180 degree or one you got to turn all the way around. So these ones that just turn 90 degrees, 2 picks, not bad. Anyway, guys, that's a tubular lock. Stay safe. Don't do anything illegal, and please like and subscribe.